at this point. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Temporary hair color. Wax hair color આવે છે temporary.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
નથી એમ કેમ કરી શકો. હા બીજે ક્યાં મળશે?
They said they don't have it. I have to order it online and then wait for it. I'm gonna order it online.
Okay, so I just got my parcel here. I don't know why, but the audio of this video did not get recorded, so I just gonna have like do voiceover. I just washed my hair, okay, so we're just gonna try this, open this and see how it turned out to be. I'm trying to like lip read. I don't know right now, but I'm just gonna like say things that's gonna happen because I don't remember what happened. Yes, sorry about that. But yeah, here it is. It's called Zenix. Yes, it's called Zenix. And the color was actually pretty much similar to one that I saw and I wanted to order. Also, I was wearing like literally like house clothes. They call it house clothes? I don't know. But something like that. So, you know, even if I spill something, it's gonna be fine. And I was just like reading the whatever it says on the top of it. I'm having a real hard time right now, but I hope you guys can cope up with me, berries. I'm really sorry. Okay, so we're just gonna open it. And it was super liquidy. Actually, I don't know why I had this impression that it's gonna be like a little bit more, you know, waxy, but it was like super liquidy, as you can see here. Real liquid. Okay, so I just like search on internet how to use wax color, and there were like a lot of recommendations, and basically most of them were videos. I was actually like trying to look for a, you know, answer that's like written, typed, whatever, but I didn't have like a few options. So I even like went and like see the video, and actually the video was for the same product, so it was like much better for me. And that's what they said, like dip your finger in it and like take a finger full of it and then like try to color it. So I'm just gonna like part my hair and only keep the hair strands out that I want to color. It's this two-tone hair color thing which was extremely popular back in the days. I mean, it's been quite a while that was popular, but then I did not have this long bangs. Yeah, but they were like pretty short because I like cut them into fringes, like real short bangs. Yeah, I'm just talking about my t-shirt which is like super old, so it's gonna be fine. And yeah, I think this is perfect, so we're just gonna try to color this. Okay, I'm just gonna use this one first rather than going for the actual product, just the leftover ones on the top of it. I'm really scared. The color looks fine, but then once you spread it, it's like it's gone, like it wasn't even there. I have it in my on my forehead right now. Wow. I actually got like stuck there, I remember that. So I think we're gonna have to take a lot of product, because once you start spreading it, start sliding it, basically it just doesn't like give you any color. Yeah, that's what it is. So I don't know, I'm just like wondering what's happening. But the thing is, like the texture, it's like, I don't know, it's just super sticky, and this sounds really really bad, but it's like a stick, you know, like I don't know, it's stuck at that point, and it's not going to be like, you know, flowy or anything. It's gonna look exactly like this. It's gonna look like horns, but down there, like not up, downward facing horns. That's how it looks like. I have absolute no idea what I'm saying right now. But yeah, okay, I get it. I was saying that I have already had hair color, wax hair color done on me. It was for a shoot, and it was done professionally, and it actually was really good. It was from you know, America, I think so, and the professionals did it on me, and it wasn't the texture. Look at my hair, they're not even moving. It is in this one direction. It's like a gel, of course. It's not going to like move because it was wax, I know that, but because I've done that before once, and the professionally done one was not like this. It was very flowy, it was beautiful, and I got like magenta-ish kind of color. It looked so beautiful. And they also did like blow dry later on, so that's how it looked. But this not even close. My hands are like this because like it's really sticky and very icky kind of texture it's giving me, so I just want to like, you know, cringe in a way. Okay, so I just watched the video on internet, and that's what they said, like take it on your palm, like give it a heat, like give it a rub, and then like go for it. It was like a male video, so it was easy for them. But look at the color, it looks like I'm washing my hands. It's white when you take it and rub it. So I think maybe I chose the wrong color. I should have gone for more, you know, more brighter color. But yeah, I had to take a lot of product, and then I just went for it. That's it, because that's what that video said. So that's how my hair looks. I actually even tried like to you know, blow dry it, which will come later on. But look at that, just, oh my god. I mean, this is what you get when you buy a 300 rupees cheap hair color product. I mean, sometimes you don't have to even look at the money, because a lot of times they give you a really good product in such money. But I mean, I had to apply and reapply a lot of coats just like see a little bit of color, which is like a little similar to the color it looks, just like that. Look at the amount of product. But so yeah, seeing this myself right now is just so funny. I can't believe how I did not laugh at that time. Oh my god. I'm not doing a voice, I'm like doing a reaction right now, I feel. And look at my hands. So as I said, it's like a stick. That's how it's gonna look. And why am I applying more color? I think I just wanted to see that tone that the actual color bottle has. Bottle, box, whatever you say. But the more you spread it, the color just goes away. It fades away. I have no idea why it happens, and maybe it's me who doesn't know how to use it. Highly possible, because I saw that video and that guy did it really well. So it looks pretty well, but look at that. Just look at how it falls on your face. Oh my god. This looks really bad. They look like horns and teeth that's not gonna move, and but of different color. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands. That's what I said. So I'm back. And that's exactly how I have to keep my face, because my eyelashes are really long and it keeps falling. Okay. Oh yeah, I was saying that my hair color looks better like if I see it in another light, but not here. I kind of spilled it outside because you know how clumsy am I. But yeah, that's how it looks, and it's not gonna fall in any other way. Also, like when I washed my hands, it was like really sticky and I had to like wash it for a really long time. That's what I'm saying. I think I saw in the video if that person was blow drying or not, and he did not. So I still went for it. I still did my blow dry. We're not working out. I even like try to dry it. Of course, it's gonna come later on. I'm just trying to like see if it falls properly, but then I even ruined my comb because of this, and I had to wash it like thoroughly. Having a real hard time, but well, we're gonna try do our best and give you a content where you can laugh your off. Yeah, I'm just trying to like try it, but I don't know if you can. I didn't find any difference in it. If you do visually, let me know, please. So berries, that's my ultimate last final look. How do you think? The color was literally rolling off my like hands, so it was that bad in quality, but I think I will call it an epic fail. The color looks pretty like fine, but look at that. It looks like horn. Come on. I don't know. I don't have find a better word. If you do in the comment section, you get a shout out next time. Seriously, you do. This, oh my god. There was nothing that I could do more than this. But, well, I think we call it an epic fail. That's it. But I was explaining that the guy who did it, like, it was really well done, because he was like, taking his hair all back, and that's how it had to be. So even if it's sticky like a gel, that's completely fine, because it doesn't fall in your face and you don't have to make it like flow and stuff like that, like women hair. So that's like a whole different thing. But for me, it didn't work fine. It looked really bad. So yep, we got it epic fail. I'm really sorry, berries, but I hope you guys had fun. Why am I doing this? Why? Anyway, I gave up. So yeah, hope you had fun. And bye. Love you.